I used to really dread working with metal zippers. I would choose a coil zipper whenever I could because you can sew right through them. But it turns out metal zippers are actually really easy to shorten. Let me show you how. Mark the seam allowance on your pattern piece so you know exactly how long the zipper needs to be. Then mark on the zipper tape where it needs to finish or end. Use a Leatherman or multi-tool to remove the zipper stops. Be careful when you're doing this because you're going to reuse them. A little bit of prying and it comes off. Then you can use the wire cutter part of the multi-tool to bend the stops open just slightly. Use scissors to cut the zipper tape a ½ inch or so above where your end mark is, and then use a precision knife to finish cutting the tape between the teeth. Use a lighter to melt the ends so they don't fray. Now to remove the extra teeth. A pair of dikes is what makes this part so easy. Clip off the metal teeth right at the base of the tape. They'll fly everywhere, so protect your eyes. Take off a few teeth below the mark so there's room for the zipper stops. Wiggle the stops onto the tape at the base of the teeth, and use the multi-tool to squish the stops in place from the outside. Close the zipper to make sure the stops are secure, and there you go!